For me, it was creating our first inter-university sports competition, Watt Games, and also being the chair of Watt Run, Walk the Talk, because I wanted the knowledge and the experience that could help me in my baking business. Since the start of my degree until the end, I've applied the lessons I learned in the classroom into my business. I would say having leadership roles helped me gain real-world experiences of what it's like to take on bigger projects. The university itself has an amazing support system of people that have supported me in my pursuit of my goals and my ambitions. I plan to gain a few years of working experience in the corporate world while baking part-time before opening, hopefully, a physical version of my bakery. Because of all the goals I've achieved, the memories I've created, and also the lifelong friends I met along the way.
A big opportunity, a learning experience. Yeah, I think not only learning in classes, to get a degree, but I think equally important is the outdoor environment. Yeah, I think she has been nominated as the Vice President of Sports. Yeah, I think that's a big achievement. Yeah, and it's for me personally as parents, I do not like students don't need to focus on academic. Yeah? They need to be also focusing on outdoor activities, extra curriculums. I think one of the biggest achievements is to organize the Watt Run with a team. Yeah, that itself, I think, is a big achievement, for her and the whole team.
Can be running in the field, football. She is very good in football, active in football, and then she can be at home in the kitchen doing cookies.
I'm very proud to say that she has actually grown up. She has really grown up, and I have the privilege to be seeing her growing up, and very determined, intelligent, and strong girl, and she's very independent. Yeah, she can stand on her own feet where she is today, and I'm just wishing her all the best, because graduating is just one step forward. There'll be a lot more challenges ahead. Whether she wants to continue working or to be a baker or to be somebody else, I leave it to her.
Proud of you, especially the walk run. Yeah, she did a good job with the teamwork. The teamwork is very important. You see, the teamwork, and then she did very well. And beside that, all the money will go to the charity, which I like.
I'll just say thank you to both of you, of course, for being my pillars in life. Also for supporting me throughout these 3 years and for giving me a chance to make something of myself. I'm a force of nature. My purpose is to make things happen and inspire others to do the same.